Have you ever wanted to turn a simple image into a full 3D model? It's surprisingly cool and way easier than you might think. Let's walk through it. To begin, head over to Pinterest and search for any subject that catches your eyes. Save the image you like. Next, we'll generate a depth map. Open the image you saved on this free website. Give it a moment to process and you'll see a heat map style preview. Switch to the second mode, which gives you a depth map version. For a cleaner result, max out the symbol size, then hit apply. After it finishes, right click and save the depth map. Now let's move into Blender. Click the default scene, Shift A, Image and Mesh Plane. Select the Pinterest image you downloaded. It should appear in the viewport. We need more geometry on this plane so that displacement works smoothly. Enter Edit mode, right click and choose Subdivide. Increase the subdivision count to around 60 cut depending on how detailed you want the final result to be. With that done, head over to the modifier panel and edit Displace Modifier. Click New to create a texture slot, then open the depth map by clicking the texture icon. Set the color space to non-color. Back inside the Displace Modifier setting, switch the coordinate to UV, then adjust the strength slider until your 3D form starts looking right. To smooth everything out, add a Subdivision Surface modifier on top. Increase the level as needed to clean up the shape and sharpen the detail. And there you go, your 2D image has now transformed into a cool 3D model. Hope you enjoy experimenting with this technique. If you want more fun tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay creative, see you next time.